Pfizer-BioNTech asking the FDA to authorize an updated version of its COVID booster, which specifically targets the BA.5 Omicron variant. Anjalee Khemlani here with that story. Anj, what are we learning?
Well, we do know that Pfizer took on this role on looking into and developing this at the request of the FDA earlier in the summer. And so it is going to be joined soon by Moderna, but they are the first ones to that finish line to ask for the EUA, saying that they do already have doses available and will be able to roll them out in time for the fall booster campaign. Now, key caveat here is that they are doing it before they have human clinical trial data to go with it. And that's really something that is a major shift for the FDA right now and causing a lot of eyebrow raisings, kind of like your eyebrows right now.
Yes.
It's just based on safety data and the assumption that they're just changing the strain versus an entirely different formulation. But it is leaving a lot of people with some questions about whether or not we know more details about the efficacy, for example, of these. So that is something that, of course, we'll have to contend with sometime soon.
And Anjalee, someone who became a household name because of COVID, Dr. Anthony Fauci, he announced that he'll be leaving the Biden administration later on this year. What can we expect from Dr. Fauci next?
Well, his plans to step down, or we of course knew that he was going to step down before the Biden administration ended, but he did announce today that he's going to be targeting December, and we do know that he plans on writing a book, a memoir, as well as really looking to the younger generation of public health servants. That's something that we might see him in a teaching position, for example, but nothing quite clear yet. He did give some of those details and insights to the Washington Post and the New York Times. But looking back on his career, of course, he became a household name because of COVID, but he really has had many years, 54 years to be exact, in public health, 38 of which he led the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. He has served 7 presidents, both Republican and Democrat, and oversaw, like you see on your screen, a number of infectious disease outbreaks and pandemics.
And a complicated legacy he leaves, given the last couple of years in our diversion from science. Anj, good to see you. Thanks. Good information.